name is Priyadarshini and I am an incoming student for the MSBA program at UCI. As part of this scholarship essay, I would like to give a few examples of the leadership activities that I have done so far. During my first year of engineering, I auditioned to be in the college band called Helix and secured a position of the lead vocalist. With my band, I performed in many inter-college competitions. We also wrote and composed a song for our cultural fest, which we released on the inauguration day. During these times, we faced a lot of unique challenges related to musical equipment or the technical issues at the studio. And with such unexpected situations, I learned how to keep my calm and come up with ideas to adapt to these changing circumstances and finding solutions to the problems as they arise. Later, I founded the TEDx club of my college along with 3 other students, and we organized a few successful TEDx talks. Being in the core team, I took up the responsibility to manage social media and take care of the sponsorships. Negotiating with local businesses for the sponsorships taught me the importance of networking and maintaining healthy professional relationships. I also interviewed a few candidates to expand our club further. Then later, when I graduated, I was called upon by the club again to perform in one of the events. Then I started my corporate journey at Michelin India and got an opportunity to be a part of Data AI team's Fun at Work committee. Here I organized some employee engagement activities such as Data Got Talent. Now, considering my good communication skills and my ability to convey ideas clearly, my manager appointed me to conduct a training series on Power BI, which was for over 300 global Michelin employees from HR, marketing and operations departments. I taught them how to use Power BI dashboards in their day-to-day activities. I also conducted technical trainings of 2 batches of freshers. Seeing my performance in these training series as well as in my projects, the higher authority saw a leadership potential in me and offered me a promotion to be module lead of data visualization team. And now I work with a team of 5 visualization developers. In conclusion, I can say some of the qualities I can bring to UCI are confidence, courage, communication, collaboration, and creativity. I was confident enough to lead the college band, perform passionately, and win the hearts of the crowd. I was courageous enough to start the TEDx club and organize successful events in limited budget and tight deadlines. I was a good communicator and collaborator to conduct training series over 300 employees and engage with them effectively. Now that we are at the end of this video, I would like to show you some memories from these events and share some incredible experiences. Thank you.